Top tourist attractions in Denmark. Frederiksborg Castle. Get a unique opportunity to visit the Frederiksborg Castle, one of Denmark's most visited landmarks. Nyhavn Harbour and Canal. Explore the colourful houses from the harbour and take a charming boat ride to admire the surroundings. The Mermaid statue. See the Mermaid statue, one of Denmark's most recognisable landmarks that has inspired many fairy tales. Tivoli Gardens. Visit Tivoli Gardens, a beautiful amusement park in Denmark. Admire the surrounding nature or enjoy the fun rides. Marble Church. The Marble Church, one of Copenhagen's most popular churches with unique interior design made from white and blue marble. Copenhagen Opera House. Explore the Copenhagen Opera House, an enticing architectural masterpiece and one of the top tourist attractions in Denmark. Mons Klint. Witness one of the most fascinating Danish landscapes and escape the city's rush at Mons Klint. Sondervig Beach. Relax and enjoy the laid-back vibes of Sondervig Beach, a beautiful stretch of beach with rolling sand dunes. Kronborg Castle. Explore the Kronborg Castle, an important example of a Renaissance castle that is filled with intricate designs. Oresund Bridge. Come to experience the crossing of the Oresund Bridge, a combined rail and road bridge with the world's longest underwater tunnel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.